Systematic trading, why is this the way to go? And at the end of this video you will know exactly why this is the right way and how you can implement this in your trading, and you will also get a free training that will get you from struggling to consistently profitable forex trader. So stick till the end, take notes, and I hope you enjoy this video. In this video I will be talking about three main topics. And number one will be what is systematic trading, then what are the benefits of systematic trading, how to build your own systematic strategy, and the bonus, which will be the free training. By the way, are you enjoying my videos? Then subscribe so you don't miss anything of the free content I'm putting out there. Now let's go on with the video. So topic number one, what is systematic trading? And there are a few things you need to understand when trading. There are multiple ways to trade, and each of these ways has their benefits. You have mechanical trading. Mechanical trading means that you trade a strategy that is so black and white that it can be programmed into an expert advisor, an algorithm, whatever you use. So that's mechanical trading, black and white. Then you have systematic trading. Systematic trading is a really systematic approach, but it can use some discretionary aspects which you then can put in a systematic way as well. So you basically use systematic discretion. And then of course you have full-on discretionary trading. These are basically the main types of trading you can do. So black and white mechanical trading slash expert advisor slash algorithms. Then you have systematic trading, and then you have discretionary trading. And you can also do a bit of a combination of all of these three. Now, systematic trading means that you have very specific rules that you follow over and over and over again, and that you use to execute your trading edge. And systematic trading is what I believe most people should be doing. The reason being is that if you open up a chart, there are endless opportunities to take positions. You can buy every time, you can sell every time, and what you need to do is really build a framework that you use to attack the market at the times when the odds are in your favor. And systematic trading can help you with that. If you really have a systematic process that tells you exactly, okay, I should be in the trade right now, this is when the odds are in my favor, I should be entering right now. That really gives you something to hold on to. It tells you when you should be in the market. It tells you when you shouldn't be in the market, which is really, really important. So all in all, it gives you a structure, a process that you can follow. And if you consistently follow it, you should be getting consistent results if the process is good. And that's where testing and gathering statistics comes in. So you want to make sure the process or the system works. And then you want to build a framework so you can execute this system consistently. So there are multiple benefits to this, and number one is that it's easier to establish if something has edge, yes or no. And you need to have edge if you want to make money with trading. The next thing is that if you don't have specific and clear rules, you will probably be all over the place. And that's what I see with a lot of beginners. They're just opening up the chart, they're looking at it and like, oh, this looks like a good level, let's put an entry in, and then tomorrow they trade a completely different thing. And that's just because there is no structure, there is no system. And if you do it like that, it becomes very, very hard to make money. Because if you take a look at the nature of the game, it's finding something that works over time and consistently executing it. And if you, every day you switch what you're doing, of course you will not get consistent results because you're just doing everything different every single day. So what you need is a process, and systematic trading or mechanical trading can give you these structured processes that you follow over and over again. So it makes it easier to find something that works for you, and then it makes it easier to execute it in real time because you every day you do the same thing, you have the same rules that you follow. If this happens, then I do this. If this happens, then I do this. If I get this type of signal, I will put my target here, my stop here, and I will risk this amount of money. If it's that structured, it will really help your trading. Now you might be wondering like, oh yeah, I know all this, but like, how can I use this in my trading? Like, what can I do to become better basically? How can I use this systematic trading? And what I want you to do is, if you already have a trading method, really take a look at it and ask yourself question number one, do I have a clear trading plan written down? If the answer is no, work on that. And then if you have that, question two becomes, is this systematic and clear and repeatable? What I mean by that is that if you write down, okay, I will trade a breakout and I will target 2 times the distance of the breakout, for example. That's not clear enough, that's not systematic, because what's a breakout for you? What type of ranges are you looking at? How will you define a breakout? What will trigger your entry? Is it just a break or a break and close above a range? Or is it maybe a break, close and hold above the range? Or is it when you get a retest and then you enter? You want to be very, very specific. Let's say you want to be a trend trader. How are you defining a trend? What types of trends do you want to be in? How are you going to enter a trend? Where will your trade idea be invalid? All these questions should come up, and these are questions that you should be answering. Basically, you want to write the process that clear and systematic that if you give it to someone else that also knows something about trading, that he can basically execute your strategy. And of course, it won't be exact, but that's the point that you want to aim for. It has to be very clear, has to be very systematic. If ... happens, I will do this. And then you follow and repeat and repeat. And that's basically how you build your systematic trading approach. So ask yourself these questions, like pause the video now, stop watching, ask yourself these questions. Do I have a written down trading plan? Is my trading plan clear enough that I can follow these rules over and over again? Is it specific? Is it systematic? Do I know what to do at what time? Ask yourself. That's what you need to do right now. So like, don't be the guy that watches the thousands of videos and doesn't do anything. This is what you should be doing. So write these questions down, take action on it. Now let's go to the last part of this video, which is a free training that I promised you guys. So a while ago I made a free training, and some of you might have watched it, some of you might not. But I think this is like the best free training I have ever made. I've had a lot of positive feedback about people. They were really happy about me being realistic about this, sharing my experience from 6 years of trading, and basically curving out the path from point A, which is struggling trader, beginning trader, to how to actually get to trading for a living. That's what I describe in this free training. I will step by step give you the right path to follow. Now, is this something for you? Click the link below and I will send you the free training via email. It will be an hour long, so please take notes. Like I said, don't be the guy that watches something and then doesn't do anything with it. Take notes, and even like, if you have questions afterwards, you can always contact me. A lot of people are always so hesitant of asking questions. They're like, I don't want to waste your time. Like, I'm open to helping you guys. I've given you 2 things in this video to do, plus the bonus thing. Like, you have enough homework, but you also need a bit of feedback. So do these things and then send me an email via the website if you have any questions. Good luck. Hope to see you next time.